Navigating the Intricacies of Global API Supply Chains, Challenges and Strategies. Author, Dr.Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss Economist. Introduction. The procurement and management of active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, present a critical and complex aspect of the pharmaceutical industry, closely intertwined with global supply chains. In this comprehensive analysis, we explore the multifaceted challenges inherent in these supply chains and examine the strategies for effective management. Diversity of global sources and supply chain dynamics. APIs are sourced globally, creating a diverse and intricate supply chain network. This diversity, while advantageous for cost and supply management, introduces complexities in ensuring coordinated and efficient supply chain operations. The necessity to navigate varied regulatory and cultural landscapes and logistical nuances is a paramount challenge. Quality consistency across international suppliers. A significant challenge in the global API supply chain is the assurance of consistent quality from various international suppliers. Variances in manufacturing standards and quality control measures across different regions necessitate robust and uniform quality assessment protocols to ensure that all sourced APIs adhere to the requisite quality standards. Regulatory compliance across jurisdictions. Each country has unique regulatory frameworks governing API production and export. Ensuring supplier compliance with these local regulations, alongside international standards, requires comprehensive audits, certification, and ongoing monitoring. Risk mitigation in supply chain disruptions. The global nature of API supply chains makes them susceptible to disruptions from geopolitical tensions, trade disputes, natural disasters, or health crises. To mitigate these risks, it's crucial for pharmaceutical companies to develop effective risk management strategies, including maintaining reserve stocks and diversifying suppliers. Tackling contamination and quality deviations. The risk of contamination or quality issues is a significant concern in API procurement. Quality control measures spanning the entire supply chain, from sourcing to manufacturing and transportation, are essential to prevent contamination and ensure API integrity. Transportation and storage challenges. The global transit of APIs requires meticulous planning to maintain their stability and efficacy. Specialized handling and storage solutions are imperative to navigate the varying environmental conditions across different geographies. Ethical and environmental considerations in the supply chain. In addition to regulatory compliance and quality assurance, ethical and environmental considerations are increasingly crucial in the API supply chain. Ensuring ethical sourcing, fair labor practices, and minimal environmental impact are key elements that pharmaceutical companies must integrate into their supply chain strategies. Conclusion. The complexities of the global API supply chain demand a holistic approach, balancing efficiency, quality assurance, regulatory adherence, risk management, and ethical considerations. Pharmaceutical companies need to implement strategic and comprehensive measures to manage these challenges effectively, ensuring a reliable, safe, and responsible API supply for global healthcare needs. Author's note. As a Swiss economist, my perspective on the global API supply chain underscores the intricate interplay between economic efficiencies, regulatory frameworks, and ethical imperatives, highlighting the critical role of strategic supply chain management in the pharmaceutical industry's contribution to global health.